Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to explore Go language website. Open this link golang.org, and Go is an open source programming language that makes it easy to build simple, reliable, and efficient software. You can explore documentation and you can learn about much more about Go language from here, from documentation section. And here is the packages section. You can also learn about packages and their use, like MD5. And here is the overview. Package MD5. MD5 is cryptographically broken and should not be used for secure application. And the project, you can explore Go project. Here is the help section. You can take help from Go forum. And here is the blog, Go language blog. You can learn much more from new features or upcoming features from this page. And one of my favorite link is here, play link. The Go play program playground section, and you can play your program. So here is the basic structure of the Go language. You can run your program and the result of the program is here. Run the program by clicking this button. You can read about section and about the playground, and you can learn the use of playground much more from here. Click on about, and this is the basic structure. Now output, and this is the open source code, like, and again you can select program from here, hello world program, and here is the hello world program. You can also share your code and click here to download Go. Select according to your operating system. I am using Windows. Save file, and file is downloading now. Click on next button. Next, and installing code.visual studio visual code website. Link is here, and download Visual Code for Windows. or any other operating system that you are using. After that, go to document and create a Go folder, or go to any other place and create a folder Go or with any other name, and here create folder source bin and in source folder create new folder. First, this is our project name, and after that open Visual Studio Code and go to packages, extensions, and here search sort installs Go and install this package, which helps you to write a Go program. Create new file and here save it, documents, Go folder, source first, and name is first.go, and here you can write your code. Package mean and save it. Import fmt go to this folder, open command prompt, cd documents, cd means change directory, or cd stands for change directory. Cd first, write the statement go build and write the program name or file name first.go. What will be happen? Our program is built successfully. So go to source folder, then first folder, here's the exe file, and here compile, build, and run your program in single statement. Write first.go. Welcome to this course, as the message is here. So you can write like 10 plus 10 and then execute the statement again. First save the program and then here run the program, and the result is 20. Thank you for watching this video.